Hey everyone, Kenny Brown here at MarineMax, Panama City Beach. I want to take a few minutes and share with you a boat that we just received that is available. This is a 2016 Sea Fox 226 Commander. Very, very nice boat. Shows almost like new. It comes with the trailer that was rarely used because this boat has always been dry stored since it was purchased new. You'll see that it's got a nice flare to it. It's a good dry riding boat. Beautiful color here in the blue. As we go to the back here, you'll also notice it has the stanchions, the side guides here for the trailer. That's nice when you're trailing the boat. It's powered with the Yamaha 4-stroke 200, so it does have plenty of power to get you where you need to go. Comes equipped with trim tabs. An interesting feature about this boat is it's an all composite boat. They even put a sticker on the factory here, no wood, no rot. So it's all composite, the stringers are composite, no woods in the boat. Let's climb aboard and look at some other features. Okay everyone, here we are aboard this 2016 Sea Fox 226 Commander. You can see back here in the cockpit area, it's got some bench seating. Does have a nice walkway through the transom if you're at the island, you want to get on and off the boat. Got a nice deep live well here for all of your live bait. Little rigging station down there. Has a nice upgraded Arctic cooler here up underneath the helm seat. When you come up here to the helm, it's got your bolsters, nice high back leaning post for people like me when I'm sitting down, so I can have somewhere to put my feet here. Nice little sea deck application. All your gauges are right here, easy to reach. VHF radio, does have a Garmin 7-inch 74 DV GPS sonar machine. Like I said, it does have trim tabs, tilt wheel, has an electronic box up here as well. Nice little appointments here, put your phones up here, keep it from sliding, has your windshield. As we move forward to the front of the boat, plenty of seating up here for going in, going out, coming back in, hanging out the island. Just a lot of nice features. Plenty of seating, recessed bow rail. Both sides up underneath here, you have fish lockers to put your fish in. And also you have in-floor storage, which currently there's a 5-gallon bucket, but you could also use that for ice and whatnot. Icing on the cake, it does come with a Minn Kota trolling motor, self-deploy, which you don't see that often, so that's kind of a nice feature. Your anchor locker, nice T-top, plenty of rod holders. Folks, this is a great boat. And like I said, it shows like new. It only has 153 hours on this boat. And like I said, it was kept dry stored here in the marina. So I hope you can take advantage of it. This boat will not last long at a price point of $49,500, boat with the trailer. So give me a call directly. My name is Kenny Brown. You can reach me at 850-596-8108. And remember, it's all about making memories on the water.